All right, so this video, we're going to talk about how to get Slack added. So first of all, go to your email. You should have an email from us saying that that we've added you to Slack. So it'll look something like this one you see here where it says Rob Bratcher has invited you to work with them on Slack. So click this, and then you're going to say, okay, join your team on Slack. So you're going to click join now. If you already have a Slack account, it should just take you right on in. If you do not have a Slack account, it'll take you through the process of setting it up and making a password and all that stuff. Of course, excuse me, it's going to tell me I'm already here because it's the same email, but in your situation, you would just see if I can log in from this other account that I made. I don't know if it'll work or not, so I can show you guys what it would look like. Yeah, it actually worked. Okay, so we're logging in here. This is, I think, what it's going to look like for you if you're logging in from a new account after you, of course, set up your Slack account. And of course, you have to download the app as well. It should prompt you to download the app during this process. So, okay, we're gonna use Slack from the browser. All right, here we go. So when you get in here, apologies for slow internet. When you get in here, you will see the other people that are in here at the bottom, and then you will see the public general channel, which we don't use, so you can ignore that. It's just a channel that is like totally public, so we've never used it because we keep all the channels on here private. And then of course you'll see the channel that is your thread, okay, and that's the thread you're going to be communicating with your coach. In this video you'll see it says test client, so I would click here. Of course, in your case it'll be your name, and then you'll be ready to get started. You'll see the microphone at the bottom and the little video feed at the bottom. This is how you can send video messages or audio messages through Slack. You can also click on the little plus sign to upload files, which you'll need to be doing, and all sorts of other things. So this app will allow you to do just about anything. There's even a setting on here called Huddle, to where if we needed to have a quick kind of meeting, like a very quick meeting, we can actually do it in Slack with audio messaging. I can just invite you to a huddle. It's kind of like if you invited to somebody to like a FaceTime call or something. So it's pretty cool. It does a lot of things. Some of y'all might use this for your work already, because Slack is obviously a widely used app. So if that's the case, you'll have all your other work channels and stuff on here, but you'll have you'll be added to our workspace, and you'll have your channel in there for your communication with your coach. So pretty simple as far as that stuff goes. If you have any problems with it, be sure to let us know. And of course, be reminded that I'm doing this from a laptop. You'll be doing it from a probably from a phone, but it works the same way on the phone, only you'll be dealing with the app on your phone rather than a laptop computer. Okay, so once we get in there, again, I think it'll be pretty self-explanatory. You can type here and say hello and whatever else you want to say, and then we have this back and forth from there. All right, so if you have any issues with this, be sure to let us know, but otherwise it should be pretty painless to get set up.